Global Access Forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It is about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, aligned them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market global. Yes. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. So I'm back again with another special thought. So in this special thought, I'm going to give you 5 basic reasons why must you buy this Volatility 75 index trading strategy. So I'll give you 5 basic reasons why you must buy this strategy. Number 1, you are losing money every day because you don't have a personal trading plan and you don't have a personal trading system, which if you want to achieve good result in this business, you must have your own personal plan and you must have your own personal trading system. Number 2, you don't have a rule-based strategy. Meanwhile, this volatility 75 index magic strategy is a rule-based strategy. What I mean by rule-based strategy, a strategy that is built based on a very rule-based, which guide it with some terms and conditions which are always following and consistent. And that was the reason we have spent good 2 years trading with this strategy, with also the board and everything, and we always get good results. Number 3, why you need to buy this strategy in order to have your trading system. Number 3, volatility 75 index is very volatile. So sometimes to identify your level of take profit and stop loss, it's always hard for you. But with the help of magic bomb strategy, or with the help for those that are trading boom and crash, or with the help of volatility 75 index magic strategy, for those that are trading the volatility 75, you can be able to get good result, good pips, and also good account growth in a very short time. So you need to understand that as well, because our strategy always give us confirm entry trigger, confirm stop loss, and confirm take profit. Let me show you on this account. If you take this trade with our strategy, I'm very sure we can be able to outline your highs here and place your stop loss. This is the zone we are going to target our stop loss above. And what our risk to reward is always 1 to 3. We can risk 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So even on this account only, we have captured 1 to 3 risk to reward. So that takes me to the number 4 point I'm going to talk about. Volatility 75 index margin strategy is the best strategy ever that have a high good risk to reward based on some kind of back test I made with respect to the strategy. You can see we have a very high risk to reward because 98.8% of all our signals with the strategy are 1 to ratio 3 or 1 to ratio 4 or 1 to ratio 5 or more than that. We will hardly have a signal on this volatility 75 index strategy with at least less than 1 to ratio 3 risk to reward, which makes it easier for our users to always take profit, which is always 50 pips for a long trade and 20 pips for a short trade TP signals. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. And the last one, that the reason why you must buy this strategy is that you have 100% money back guarantee if you are not satisfied with the conditions and the system that the strategy is being laid out on, so that you will not waste your time on the strategy. You will not have a lot of things that will bother you in your mind, so that you cannot have, if this strategy didn't work out, I'll get back my money, which will be very sure you will get the strategy, you will like the strategy. I'm very, very sure you will even come back for the bot for the strategy. This is at non-global access forex. These are the 5 main reasons why you must have volatility 75 index magic strategy, especially if you are trading the volatility 75 index strategy. This is a non-global access forex. Finally, let me give you a one bonus tip for this strategy. This strategy can be used for swing trading, and this strategy can be used for scalp trading. Let me show you why I said so. We have been holding these two positions from the main entry for almost a very long period of time now. You see, since on the 15th of last month, almost 3 to 4 weeks now. And these two trades, we have been holding them for, you see, volatility 75 index signal just come in, you see. So this is it, this is it, this is it. So this is at non-global access forex.